All right, welcome back, third grade angels, to science. This week's lesson is which ecosystems have few trees? This is page 76. If you want to follow along in your science book, we're on 76. All right, different places on Earth have different climates. Some land ecosystems have climates that support only a few trees, like grassland. Think about looking out over a wide grassy field. A strong summer breeze makes the tops of the grasses move like waves on the ocean. A grassland is a kind of land ecosystem. It has many grasses and flowering plants, but few trees. A climate of cool or cold winters and hot summers supports grasslands. The climate includes little rain, so the soil is dry. Trees cannot grow well in this soil. They need more water. The trees grow mostly in the wetter soil along rivers and creeks. Many grasses grow well in this kind of habitat. They survive because they have deep roots. These roots help the plants in many ways. When grazing animals, fire, or the cold winters kill the plants above ground, the roots survive. Deep roots also help the plants find water in the dry, hot summers. Some grasslands get more rain than others. Tall grass prairies grow in the wetter eastern parts of the Midwest. Short grass prairies grow farther west where less rain falls. And here's our chart. Climate in the Kansas grassland. So we have the average temperature, that's in degrees Celsius. And in the summer, it's 20 degrees Celsius. In the winter, 2 degrees Celsius. And here we have the average yearly rainfall in the cm. That stands for centimeters. So we have about 90 centimeters. Map fact. This is the Konza Prairie in Kansas. Like other parts of the Midwestern United States, it is grassland. Winters are cool or cold in the grasslands. Deep roots help the plants store food for winter. Many kinds of insects, such as this grasshopper, live in grasslands. Once huge herds of bison roamed the grasslands. Now only a few herds remain. There's some bison, also known as buffalo. All right, there's a checkpoint question. What is a grassland? Well, there's a hint. You might want to go back. And there you can see where it says a grassland is a kind of land ecosystem that's got many grasses and flowering plants. All right, let's turn the page. So now we're going to be on page 78. All right, a desert, a surprising ecosystem. A desert is an ecosystem that gets very little rain. For example, where we live is actually a desert ecosystem. Days are often hot, but the nights are cool or even cold. Many people think of deserts as nothing but sand. However, most desert ecosystems are full of life. Desert plants and animals can live with little rainfall. Some plants, including cactuses, store water in their leaves or stems. During the day, you might see a lizard warming itself on a rock. But many desert animals rest out of sight during the hottest time of day. Some stay in underground tunnels. Others find a shady spot under a plant. At night, the desert comes alive. Animals come out of their hiding places to search for food. And here we have another chart, climate in a desert. Average temperature in the summer, 30 degrees Celsius. In the winter, 10 degrees Celsius. The average yearly rainfall about 30 centimeters. Ooh, and here's the kind of plant we're very familiar with here where we live. It's a yucca plant. Yucca plants provide shade and cover for small animals like snakes and lizards. Small birds eat the fruits. So we see that all around our city. Oh, look at that. This sidewinder rattlesnake usually hunts at night. It kills small animals for food. Here's another one. This desert bobcat warms itself on a sunny rock in winter. At night, it hunts for birds and other small animals. Another map fact. Joshua Tree National Park is a desert ecosystem in Southern California. Joshua trees are a kind of yucca plant, which grows only about 6 centimeters a year. More than 78 kinds of birds nest in the park. And checkpoint questions. Why do certain plants do well in deserts? Okay, this is where you can go back up here and look. Desert plants and animals can live with little rainfall. There we go. There and other information on there to help you answer that question. All right, turning to the next page, we have another one without very many trees. This is the tundra. Tundra is the land of long winters. Whew, sounds cold. The tundra is a cold, dry land ecosystem. It is in the very northern part of the world. Parts of Alaska are tundra. Winters there are long and cold. Snow falls and cold winds blow. Summers are short and cool. The snow melts in summer, but the soil below the surface does not become soft. It stays frozen all year. Summer days are very long in the tundra. In some places, the summer sun shines 24 hours a day. Winter days are very short. Some places get no sunlight at all in winter. Many plants cannot grow in this climate. For example, few trees grow in the tundra. Their roots cannot grow in frozen soil. Small plants grow here instead. These include grasses and wildflowers. In summer, the melting snow forms ponds in the tundra. Many ducks, geese, and swans nest near these ponds. Other birds also nest in the tundra. In summer, there are millions of insects for them to eat. Most tundra birds travel to warmer places during winter. And here's another chart for climate in the tundra. Average temperature in the summer, it's only 6 degrees Celsius. And in the winter, it's 30 degrees below Celsius. Woo! And the average yearly rainfall, about 10 centimeters. Ooh, look at the antlers on that guy. Caribou travel in large herds. In winter, they find food by digging through the snow with their front hooves. What type of plant is missing in this tundra? Trees. Their roots cannot grow into the frozen soil. Grasses and wildflowers grow close to the ground. Lichens grow in clumps close to the ground. It is the main winter food of caribou. And that's what this guy over here is. Okay. Wolves usually travel in groups or packs to hunt for food. They hunt caribou, hares, and lemmings. Hares are rabbits. Other large hunters include brown bears and golden eagles. Here's some other checkpoint questions to think about. What is the coldest land ecosystem? Here's a hint. List 3 kinds of land systems. Ooh, those are the 3 different kinds we've read in this lesson. All right, well, that's it for now. We'll see you next time. Bye.